Great, welcome back. In this section, we'll be talking about resource management, your team. This is called crew resource management, and it also involves how your team interacts with the hardware. Crew resource management is one way of addressing the challenge of optimizing human and machine interface with crew member interpersonal activities. Crew resource management utilizes team management elements during all phases of the operations. It makes effective use of all the available resources, including human resources, hardware, performance data, weather reports, crew member briefings. Situational awareness is a definition you'll hear often throughout this entire curriculum. It is the accurate perception and understanding within the 5 fundamental risk elements. They are flight, pilot, aircraft, environment, and type of operation. We'll go into more detail later. Situational awareness means monitoring any situation that might impact safety at all times. Examples include monitoring radio communications for aviation traffic, monitor weather channels, monitor ATC communications. We're going to just touch upon risk management here. We're going to go into more detail in a later section, but here we go. Risk management relies on situational awareness, which we just touched upon. It also means having good problem recognition and good judgment. Don't worry about understanding problem recognition and good judgment just yet. We'll talk about those in later sections. Just know that it's part of the risk management.